Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can add a Gmail link in Canva. It's really simple, but very effective. For example, if you're creating a document and need to include an email, you might want to add a Gmail link to your document. Here is the resume I have created, and let's say I want to add a Gmail link to it. Here is the email option, and I will go to Customize it. For example, I'll just use a fake email like this. So this is my email, but now I want to add a link to it. To add a link, simply select your email and right-click. Here, you'll see the link option as well. Alternatively, the shortcut is to press Ctrl-K. Click on it, and then add your email address. Just type it like this and click Done. Now your Gmail link is attached. And for it to be live or clickable, you need to export it as a PDF file. So you have to download it as a PDF. Your link will work only in the PDF format. Also, a quick tip. If you want to remove the underline, just click on the email. And here is the underline option. Click on it, and the underline will be removed from your Gmail address. Then just download it in PDF format.